Hello boys and girls, I'm so happy you could join me. Today we have a fun drawing project. We are going to learn about plants and their parts. Okay, we're going to need a few colors. The colors that I have so far are, I have my favorite color for drawing, which is gray, which you can use a pencil because that's kind of like our sketch. I have black and brown, and then I got some green for the stem and the leaves. I'm going to use yellow for the petals of my flower. If you want to use a different color for the petals of your flower, you can pick a different color. Otherwise, go with me with yellow. I got 2 colors of yellow. And then I want you to pick 3 kind of pretty colors or your favorite colors, and that'll be for a special thing towards the end. I'm not going to tell you about it just yet, but it will be very fun when we get there. So just those 3 colors. And if you need to, always remember this is a video and you can pause it when you need to. Now it's time to start thinking about how we're going to lay out our drawing. So I have my gray. I'm imagining it right before I'm going to draw it. And I'm thinking about where am I going to put it on the paper. And I'm going to start, how tall am I going to make it? And where's the dirt going to be? So I'm going to start right here. So I'm going to put a line horizontal, little space, and a horizontal line. Now we need the stem. So right in the middle, we're going to do a vertical line. Okay, we're going to do another one, vertical line. Now we're going to make a circle for the seeds. Okay, let's put out one of the flower's arms, which is its leaf, where it collects all of the sun rays. Now we can put one on the other side. Help it collect sun rays from both sides. Put some veins in our leaf. Okay, add the veins to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we go down into the soil and we start to draw the plant's roots. Okay, there's squiggly lines, and off of each squiggly line there might come some more lines. So they don't have to be exactly like me because there's lots and lots of roots, okay? So I want you to just do little squiggles and then little branches off, like little lines that come off of each squiggle. It's kind of like an upside down letter Y, or like V shape a little sometimes. Little wiggly lines with little fingers sticking off of them. Okay, so you can add your roots just like me. If I see something where I want to add more, I just add more. Okay, then I'm going to think about what's in the soil. There's lots of minerals and nutrients in the soil, so I'm going to put some little dots and little circles. Fill the dirt with lots of yummy stuff for the plant to eat. Now it's time for some flower petals. So I'm going to go up, curve a little, and come back down. Go up, curve a little, and come back down. Okay, I like doing them right across from each other. It helps me keep them straight. Do that one, now right across from it. And you're more than welcome to turn your page. If one of these like if you do a lot of really good petals just straight up and down, you can turn your page and just do a lot of straight up and downs too. Otherwise, just do your best. If you need to go a little slower, remember you could always press pause and then play again if you need to, okay? But they're petals, so you're just gonna go up, curve, and back down. Kind of just like the roots, okay, where they can be a lot of petals. So now what I'm doing is I left some spaces, and I'm going to fill in the spaces with another kind of yellow. I like to use like two colors that look kind of close together, and that way one of the petals looks like they're behind and one of them looks like they're in the front. Makes it look really cool. I just like the way it looks. So I'm gonna make sure and think about it. Okay, so now how about we get some green and we go and color in the stem. Go nice and smooth down my edges so I don't go out of my lines. Alright, color in my stem. And now I'll go with a lighter color green for the leaf. Color around. And I like to color around the gray color because if I color right over it with a marker, sometimes it mixes the color. So I try not to color over it too much where it mixes it. Alright, almost done there. Beautiful. Okay, a couple little touches, little touch up here and there. And you guys can always go back and work on it once the video's done too. Okay, now we need some seeds. So lots of polka dot little seeds inside of the middle of the flower. I'm using a black and a whole bunch of little dots, little dots, little dots. Now make sure if you're using a marker, if you press too hard, you'll squish the point of your marker. So you don't want to ruin your marker and squish it. So make sure you're not pressing too hard. Or if you're using a pencil or a pen or a crayon, whatever you got, just you don't need to press really hard because you might break it. So I switch between black and brown. Then I even have another color I think is gray. So like dark colors for the seeds. So black, brown, or gray. Either pick one of the colors or try them all. And that way there's variation, lots of different little seeds. Alright, I'm going to color in some of the minerals in the soil. And I'm also going to shade just a little bit of brown at the top to show that it's the dirt and that the roots are underground. I got another brown here to help me kind of color in some of the little mineral specks and the little things that are in the dirt, little spots. Now, let's see if you can guess. Start with a circle. See how long it takes you. One more little circle. Dot, dot, and a mouth. One little wing. Two little wings. A little pointy stinger. Anybody guess what it is yet? Anybody? He's so cute. Okay, we'll put some stripes on them. Ooh, I heard somebody say it. Oh, look at it. You're right. It's a bumblebee. Those are pollinators. They help the flowers make new seeds and they spread around the honey. Oh, it's actually not honey yet. It's pollen and they turn it into honey. They love flowers. They're just one of the pollinators that help flowers grow. So you don't ever want to squish a bee if he's not going to hurt you. Okay, now you can see I got a cloud in the sky. And he's going to be a nice happy cloud. And let's put some rain coming down because our flowers need some rain and water to grow. Ooh, it's a light little shower, so it's not too much rain. So that bee's happy with the water. It's okay. And that water goes all the way down into the ground until it touches the roots. And did you know that the water attaches to the minerals? And then as the sun gives the solar panel leaves,
UV light, it helps them pull up the water into its roots and into its stem. Okay, boys and girls, here's the special thing. So I want you to start with black and make a line with a curve like that. Kind of looks like a big letter P. Now do this line down here, curve, and another curve. Okay, we're gonna put two little antennas. Bet you can guess. Yeah, it's a butterfly. So we're gonna put the wings behind it, okay? If you need to rewind the video, make sure you rewind it and do it again if you need to. But I'm gonna color in mine with some pretty spots, so my favorite colors are gonna be in there. And whatever I do on one wing, I get to do on the other wing, because butterflies have symmetry. That means whatever's on one side is the same on the other side. Okay, I got my pink next to my purple. And that other wing is in the background, so you can't see the whole thing. Just a little bit. And my last color is like a yellow-orange. I'm going to color in the wing. Okay, so that's one part of the wing. And I'll just keep coloring in the rest, and you guys can have fun using your colors or pick my colors too. Okay, if you know how to draw other butterflies, then you can actually add those to it after we're done. You can always add extra stuff to your drawing when we're done. Now we're gonna put the movement of the wings. So we're gonna put like he's flapping his wings because he's flying, getting ready to land on the flower. Did you know that flowers and plants need air too? Oop, guess what else they need? Oh man, you can't see his eyes. Can you guess what he is even though you can't see his eyes? That's so silly. He's got a happy face though. I heard somebody say it. Yeah, that's the sun. The sun, I'm gonna color him in all nice and orange. He's all bright. Yeah, so we couldn't see his face, so I'll just color him in. It's alright. Sometimes it happens. Okay, so we have the sun, our butterfly, and our bee. Now we're gonna... Oh, you still can't see it. You can see his happy face though. I bet you could imagine his eyes if you saw him. That's silly. He's so high in the sky. He's so happy. Okay, so what about let's color in the petals of the flower. Let's give it some more color. So you could choose whatever color you want. I'm gonna go with the orange. I like the orange on the yellow. I'm gonna color a couple. And I'm coloring it kind of fast because I like the way that when I color with markers, it leaves kind of like little white colors in there. So it has a nice texture. It's called like a dry brush effect. So that's a fun word, dry brush. It's an art word. So maybe if you scribble really fast with a crayon, but you gotta be able to be really careful because look, I could stay in the line, so I have lots of practice. Okay, so however you color it in, whether you color it fast or you color it slow, okay, because slow is just as good as fast. It's whatever you feel is best. Okay, I'm gonna make sure some grass is growing in the dirt. Beautiful. Okay, so that's done for now. And this is just the first video, because the next video what we're going to do is we're going to put all of the words on it. And I'm going to show you some special materials that I use. Before I go, I want to show you what I use. So if you find one of these, an old envelope from somebody's mail, if you can take it and you open it up, on the inside there's lots of really cool designs. So just keep an eye out for these kind of envelopes, okay? And you can open them up and see what's inside. And I'll show you again on the next video, but I just want to show you a little bit of what we're looking for until the next time we meet, okay? So check it out. Oh yeah, look at all that cool color. See you next time.